LinkedIn have introduced a new vertical video newsfeed. Are you using video on LinkedIn yet? Here are some key tips to help you with the best practice video for LinkedIn right now. I want you to think about the content you are creating. Is it speaking to your audience? The community that you're building. So are you creating content that people in your network actually want to see? Who is in your network on LinkedIn? Be really thoughtful about who you want to connect with and build a community around your brand on LinkedIn. Are you making connections with those people? The top tip here is try and connect with 4 to 5 people every day. If you do that for 1 month, that's 150 new connections in your network. If you do that for a year, that would be 365 times 5. Somebody else do the maths, but it would be at least 1,500 new people in your network. And be thoughtful about those people that you're connecting with. And be consistent. Show up on video. When you're using video, make sure that you are creating video that your network are interested in and add captions so that people can work out what it is you're trying to say, because most people will be watching your video with the sound turned off. What is working right now? The vertical video. So I want you to try and think of doing long vertical video in your newsfeed. Start with the hook, get people's attention in your video and get to the point. Keep your videos on LinkedIn under 2 minutes. Just deliver pure value to your audience. Don't spend time introducing yourself. Just get really stuck into what people want to hear from you. And finally, go big with your captions on your video content on LinkedIn. If you are sharing content on LinkedIn right now on video, please put a link to it below so we can all go and check out your video success. And I'd love to hear any of the questions that you have about using video on LinkedIn.